Today I'm talking about the best grappling hooks because I got tired of flimsy hooks bending or slipping when I actually needed them. I bought and tested 5 popular options myself, using them for yard work, retrieval, and light outdoor tasks. I'll tell you what felt solid, what didn't, and which ones are worth your money. Product number 1: 3PCS Stainless Steel 3-Claw Grappling Hook Set. When I first held this 3-piece stainless steel grappling hook set, the weight surprised me in a good way. Each hook feels dense and solid, not hollow or flimsy. I tested all 3 sizes, and having options mattered more than I expected. The smallest was great for tight branches, while the largest grabbed thicker limbs without slipping. In real use, the claws bit fast and didn't flex, even when I leaned into the pull. The stainless finish stayed clean after wet grass and mud, which I appreciated. I also liked that it packed easily since I could choose just one hook instead of hauling everything. That said, I wouldn't trust this for anything involving body weight, no matter the rating. For yard cleanup, fishing retrieval, or tossing in a go bag, it did exactly what I wanted. If you want size options for casual outdoor jobs, this set fits perfectly well. Product number 2: Heavy-Duty 4-Claw Stainless Steel Grappling Hook. When I picked this 4-claw grappling hook up, the first thing I noticed was how wide and aggressive the claws felt. It's definitely a heavier, more serious hook. I used it for pulling debris from a pond edge and snagging fallen branches, and it latched on fast. The claws didn't slide once, even on slick wood. I liked the balance when throwing it since it didn't wobble midair. The stainless steel held up fine after getting soaked with no rust showing. You do need to be careful opening it because those tips are sharp. This one feels built for retrieval and pulling, not finesse work. I wouldn't carry it on a long hike, but for keeping in the truck or garage, it's solid. If your main goal is dragging, anchoring, or fishing objects out of water, this hook does that job confidently and without feeling fragile during real-world use tests. Product number 3: Ant Mag Folding Grappling Hook with Rope. When I opened this Ant Mag hook, I immediately noticed the folding claws and included rope, which made it feel more complete out of the box. In hand, the steel felt sturdy and the sawtooth edges grabbed hard. I tested it by lowering it into water to retrieve scrap metal, and it caught on the first drop. The folding design was handy when packing it back into my bag, saving space. The rope worked fine for retrieval, though I wouldn't trust it for climbing anything serious. After several wet pulls, the hook itself showed no rust, but I did notice the rivets aren't stainless. That's something to keep in mind long-term. Overall, this hook feels purpose-built for water work and heavy pulling. If you like magnet fishing or underwater retrieval and want something compact with a rope included, this one is a practical choice that feels ready to use away. Product number 4: Large Folding Grappling Hook with 65 FT Rope. When I grabbed this large folding grappling hook, it felt chunky and tough, like it could take abuse. The stainless steel is thick and the claws lock open with confidence. I tested it for tree work and pulling heavy branches, and it held firm without twisting. The sawtooth claws dug in better than smoother hooks I've tried. I also liked the long black rope, which gave me extra reach without needing extensions. The folding design made it easy to toss into the included green bag, which I didn't expect to use but ended up liking. This hook is clearly not for climbing, and the warning is worth respecting. For general outdoor jobs, though, it's dependable. If you want something heavy-duty for camping setups, recovery, or backyard work, and don't mind a bit of weight, this hook feels built for rough handling. It stayed solid during repeated pulls in testing sessions. Product number 5: Compact Folding Grappling Hook with Rope. When I held this compact 4-claw grappling hook, I liked the balance right away. It's not oversized, but it doesn't feel weak either. I tested it with the included rope for pulling debris and retrieving tools, and it handled the weight without strain. The claws deploy smoothly and fold back down without fighting you. For its size, the hook feels dense and well-built. The rope was better than expected, with decent grip and no fraying during use. I wouldn't use it for climbing, but for general outdoor tasks, it felt reliable. This is the kind of hook I'd keep in a backpack or emergency kit because it doesn't take up much space. If you want a portable grappling hook that still feels strong and easy to handle, this one hits a nice middle ground between power and packability. I used it multiple times without any bending or loosening at all. That's my hands-on take on the best grappling hooks I tested. All of these worked, just in different ways depending on what you need. Check the links in the description for current prices and details. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments.